we're SculptOK. Now to introduce how to use SculptOK to turn an ordinary image into a high-quality 3D relief. The first step is image preprocessing. If you come across an image with low clarity, we recommend turning on HD restoration. At the same time, click the Remove Backgrounds button for even better results. During the depth map generation stage, several models are available for you to choose from. Sculpt Pro 1.5 delivers precise structure and high-quality portrait restoration, while Sculpt Pro provides strong three-dimensional depth and automatically optimizes the image. The default resolution is 1K, but if you select the Pro model, you can also export in 2K or 4K quality. After generating the grayscale map, click to enter 3D preview. In the base module, you can adjust various basic parameters of the relief. For example, dragging values to alter its form. In the material module, you can now select from multiple materials for effect preview, such as plastic, gray wood, brass, stone, bronze, steel, gold, clay, etc. Finally, in the text module, you can add text and adjust its parameters. Please like and subscribe to us.